Hey everyone, welcome back to EdTube. Today, we've got an exciting video lined up for you. We'll dive into the fascinating journey of Eritrean cycling, showcasing how this small but mighty nation is making waves in the cycling world. Plus, we'll be bringing you the latest updates from the Paris Olympics. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from us. If you enjoy the video, don't forget to like, share, and leave your comments below. Cycling is the most popular sport in Eritrea, and its cyclists are the top performers in Africa, with a growing reputation as some of the best in the world. This success is a unique outcome of Eritrea's distinctive history, geography, and culture. Italian colonization in the 19th century left a lasting impact on Eritrea, fostering a deep-rooted love for cycling among its people. The country's first bicycle races took place in 1936, exclusively featuring Italian participants. Daniel Teklehaimanot made history in 2015 as the first African rider to wear the polka dot jersey in the Tour de France. Asmara, the capital of Eritrea, sits at around 2,350 meters above sea level. The mountainous terrain and dry climate help cyclists build endurance, while Eritreans' naturally lean physiques are well suited to the sport. Serbia's Novak Djokovic defeated Spain's Rafael Nadal in straight sets at the Olympic Games at Roland Garros, taking a 31-29 lead in their 60 matchups. French authorities have identified several suspects involved in Friday's high-speed railway attacks. Additionally, an internet operator reported major sabotage on Monday after fiber optic lines were cut in multiple locations across the country. Snoop Dogg's presence at the Paris 2024 Olympics has fans excited. "I've been here meeting people, talking to athletes, and kissing babies," he said, wearing a gold blazer and black shirt.
Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to EdTube, like this video, and share it with your friends. Your support helps us bring you more content. See you in the next video.